Making a motherfucking song, nigga in a trunk. I say nigga in a trunk, fucking man. Put his ass over here. I don't put him over us. Tell me what that nigga did. Man, fuck damn kid, fucking man. Tell me what that nigga did. Better tell me what he did. Why? Put his ass in the trunk. Put his ass in the trunk, fucking man. Yeah, hit the trunk. Every time I hit a bump, fucking man. Take his ass to the swamp. Take his ass to the swamp, fucking man. Yeah, hit the trunk. Every time I hit a bump, fucking man. Tell me what that nigga did. Fuck he did. What the fuck that shit, man? What the fuck that nigga did? Take his ass to the bricks. Holloway to the 6, fucking man. Take his ass over here. Put his ass right up. Take his ass to the east. Let him do the meet and greet, fucking man. You know that nigga deep. Till you know who you beat, fucking man. Till you don't know who you beat. Bitch, you fucking with a Jeep, fucking man. You know that nigga school. You know the nigga do. I don't know the fool. Put his ass over here. Put his ass over there, fucking man. Tell me what that nigga did. The fuck that nigga did. Man. Put his ass in the coop. Take his ass to the boot, fucking man. Put his ass in the clubs. His ass over here, go. Fucking me. I'ma fuck that nigga up. I'ma fuck that nigga up, fucking man. Put his ass over here. No, put him over there. Fucking me. Take his ass in the swamp. Put his ass in the trunk, fucking man. Yeah, hit the trunk. Yeah, hit the put his ass over here. Take him to the bricks. All the way to the 6. Man. That nigga D-Time Boogie. D-Time Boogie, there's a pistol. They don't know your ass never shit. Man, I'm coming out your speaker. Man, they coming the phone rings. Man, I'm coming out the deep. Man, I make your fucking trunk start bitch. Put your ass in your trunk. Talk with that tone, huh? Hands over here. Keep his ass now killing me right now. Get his ass over here. Take his ass over here. Fuck you, man. Take his ass over here. Now put him back up. Shit, fuck you, man. Right up. Alright, the making of the movie, cuz. This is the making of this motherfucking song, nigga. I'm still working on it. This bitch from the jump, bro. Wow.